Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to do about common denominator. So for this one, we multiply by sin x on numerator and denominator. About this one, we multiply by x. Next, we combine two fractions together. Next, if we put number 0, 0, 0 in here, we will have about 0 over 0. So we need to use about L hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So first derivative of sin x, we have cosine x. First derivative of x, we have number 1. This one, we apply about the product rule of derivative. So we do first derivative of x, so we have number 1. So we have sin x. First derivative of sin x, we have cosine x. So we put number 0 go here, here, and here. We have 1 minus 1, we have 0. This one we have 0. So we continue use this one. First derivative of cosine x, we have negative sin x. First derivative of sin x, we have cosine x. First derivative of x, we have cosine x. First derivative of cosine x, we have negative sin x. Now, if we put number 0, 0, 0, 0 in here, we will have about negative number 0 over 1 plus 1 minus 0. So this one, you have 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.